Welcome to this library database tutorial on using Noodle tools. While there are several ways to export a reference list, in this video we will go through the process of exporting to a word processor like Microsoft Word. After you've signed into Noodle tools, browse to the project you want to export. Before you print or export your source list, Noodle tools allows you to do some basic formatting. To see the formatting options, click Print Export at the top of your source list and select Formatting Options. Keep in mind that formatting options affect only the list that is open. Other projects in your personal folder will not change. The formatting options will change based on if you are using APA or MLA citation style. See the Noodle Tools help pages for more information on these options. Once the formatting options are complete, the reference list is ready to be exported. Here are the steps involved for exporting to a word processor. Click on Export, open the file from Downloads, save the references file to your computer, open the reference file, and copy the reference list. Open the research paper file and paste the reference list onto a new page at the end of the document. Let's see these steps in Noodle Tools. First, click on Print Export and choose To Word or As RTF. I'm selecting To Word, which generates a .docx file. Select either All Sources or sources you have marked with a tag and click on Submit. Second, open the file from Downloads. On my internet browser, I can see Downloads at the bottom of the page and click there to open. You may have to open the download folder to find the file. Third, if needed, enable editing on the file. Then use File Save As to save the document to the computer. Rename the document to something you'll recognize and save it in a folder where you can find it later. Fourth, if needed, open the file with your references. The file is still open for me, so I'm going to copy the references. Fifth, open the paper you are working on. At the end of the paper, paste the references into the document. Everyone's computer is set up differently, and these steps may not work perfectly on your computer. Use the help pages or contact the library for help in exporting your reference list. The help pages can also help give you guidance on connecting your Google or an Office 365 account to Noodle tools. Congrats on exporting a reference list. For more tutorials on using Noodle tools, see the library's YouTube channel. Questions? You can visit the library in person or contact us by phone, text, email, or chat. See the library's homepage at rtc.edu/library for these options.